Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Shiny and this video is going to be one of the most requested video, which is how I edit my thumbnails. Yes, I am finally doing this. So thumbnails are really important for a video because that's the first thing people will notice, and if it's not attractive or interesting, no matter how much your video is well edited or entertaining or informative, people won't click on the video to watch it. So it's really important to concentrate on making an attractive thumbnail. Thumbnails are really tricky, and when it comes to think of the basic idea of a particular thumbnail, trust me, it takes a lot of time to at least get the idea. But when you get the idea in your head, it's really easy to edit it. The app B612 makes editing the thumbnail so much easier because it has so many cool features, like you can draw, you can paint, you can add so many stickers, filters, effects, and most important, it has so many like aesthetic cool fonts, text fonts, and the best part, everything is free here, so you can do so many things which I am going to discuss in this video. I have already made two videos about B612. One is how I edit my pictures using B612, and second one is how I edit my transition reels, my slow-mo reels, basically the short videos. The links are in the description box, also on the I button. Okay, first let me clarify one thing, which is you have to be a little more creative in this subject because thumbnails are not something that you can do in just one click. I mean, apps have all the features you need to create a good attractive thumbnail, but you have to know how to use the features in a proper way, and you have to think of the idea, the basic idea of the thumbnail, and keep experimenting with the features. So my point is, I won't be sharing any shortcuts because there is no shortcuts, or I won't be sharing the tutorial of every thumbnail that I have made because that's not possible. So I will be only sharing the basic editing process of a thumbnail, like how I basically edit them and how to use the features. So that was a long intro, and now without further wasting any more time, let's get into the video. But before that, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel. Also, thank you so much for 30k subscribers. Yes, we are a 30k plus family now. I am so much grateful to each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel and for supporting me like this. And yeah, follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle and this is my Instagram feed. Most of you don't follow me there, so please go follow me there. And yeah, now let's get into the video. So I will be editing two types of thumbnails here, which I mostly do. One is this one and another one is this one. So let's start with this one first. So I will put the screen record of the editing process here, and here I'm gonna edit them again. So let's start. First, you need a blank picture. Now anything works here because this would be the base, so no matter what you are taking, anything works here. Now open the picture in B612, and first you have to crop the picture in 16:9 ratio, which is the YouTube thumbnail or YouTube video ratio. Now I am going to the sticker option and then going to the scissor sign option here, and tap on the plus sign and it will open to the gallery. Now selecting the picture you wanna add, and now you can see, because it's sticker option, it will automatically select the person in the picture, but I want the whole picture, so I'm just selecting the brush option and selecting the whole picture like this, and then I'm placing the picture. Now in the same way, I am adding more two pictures, then I'm gonna save it. Now going to the border tab and then go to the format option and change the format into 16:9 ratio format again. Now adjusting the thickness of the border, like how thick you want the border to be. Then going to the color option and tapping on the color picker and selecting the violet color here. You can choose any color from the picture or from here, and don't select any color from the picture, like select wisely. Select the color that is actually matching the whole vibe of the picture or the thumbnail. So yeah. And then when you are satisfied, tap OK. Then going to the text option and typing the title of the video. Then you can change the color of the text, you can add strokes, you can adjust its thickness, amount, and change colors. You can change fonts too. You will have plenty of cool, cute, attractive fonts here. So I'm selecting this font called Cute Written and adding black strokes also adding little shadow and placing it right here. You can also add background labels and change its color. You can even add space in between the letters or the lines. So I am adding little space and then saving it. Again, typing editing tutorial and going to this option style, and from here you will find a lot of like cute vintagey funky Y2 texts or those cute text with labels like this. Like those are so cute. You can change the text colors too. So I'm selecting this neon one, which is really going with the like whole thumbnail, the vibe of the whole thumbnail. Don't just select anything because it's cute. Keep that in mind. You have to like match the whole vibe of the thumbnail. And then I'm tapping on this duplicate option, and from here I am typing plus, changing the font and stroke color. And yeah, lastly going to the sticker option and selecting the bling sticker. I always like to add little blings on my thumbnail. You might have noticed that. And yeah, this is how I have edited this thumbnail. This is one of my favorite thumbnail that I have made till now. Also, don't forget to check out this video. The link is in the description box. After you're done watching this video, you can go watch that video. Now let's edit the second type. So first I will be editing this picture a little, like going to the just section and decreasing the highlights, also increasing the saturation and also increasing the brightness, then saving it and going to the filter option, and you will find plenty of free filters here. Applying this one, which is one of my favorite one, it's called Milky Way, then saving it and go to the gallery. Now open a random picture for the background picture, again cropping it in 16:9 ratio. Now I'm going to the brush section and I will be coloring the white background. So here you will find lots of brush and colors. You can pick anything, any kind of brush and any kind of color you want. You can increase or decrease the size of the brush. You can erase your mistakes, and there are so many cool funky brushes here too, like this one. Now I will be selecting this brush and painting the whole picture like this. Then save it. I have changed the color, you can see बाद में, because that color wasn't suiting the thumbnail. So yeah. Then going to the sticker option and I'm selecting this picture which I have edited right now. Now I am selecting only me from the picture. It will automatically select the person like I have said, but sometimes it cannot detect the person properly. So you have to do it manually, which is I am doing right now, like the hand part. Then place it wherever you want to and save it. Now I sometimes like to do these things, you might have seen this, which is outlining things like this. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to the brush section and selecting this brush again and reducing the size like this. And I'm selecting the white color. I'm just making some outlines, like not whole thing, but some parts may I am adding those outlines. Erasing the endings to give it a nice finish. And yeah, this is how I do it, but not gonna do this in this picture. I did it just to show you guys. So now going to the sticker option and I have added this text box, which is this one. There is nothing to show here, so I just skipped showing this step. Now go to the text tab and type the title of the video. Then I will be adding strokes to the text, also changing the color of it with the color picker option and adding shadows and saving it. Adding borders as the same way as I did before. Then I'm going to the sticker option and I will be adding 3 pictures from the gallery like I did before, placing them like this. Similarly, I have added these film frames from the gallery just to create this real vibe. You can simply download this picture from Google by typing film frame PNG files, and yeah. Then going to the text tab and typing this, adding levels to it, and then tap on this duplicate sign on the lower corner, erasing it and typing the other topics that I have shared in that video. Doing the same again, then adding this B612 cup picture from the sticker option like I did before, nothing to show here. And lastly, I'm adding the blings, and yeah. All these steps might be looking a little confusing or complicated, but when you have a plan of the thumbnail, like the basic plan, like I have said, and when you are doing this on your own, trust me, it's not that confusing, it's not that complicated. Also, don't forget to watch this video to know how I edit my videos, like short videos, reels, transition videos, slow motion video, or those aesthetic short videos. The link is in the description box. And yeah, that was all about this video. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed watching. editing? If so, then don't forget to download B612. The link is in my description box. Such a lifesaver when it comes to video editing, when it comes to picture editing, thumbnails, everything. You can do so much cool things with this app for free. Everything is free here. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends, your family. Comment down below. Your comments means a lot to me, so please comment down below anything you want. And yeah, follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.